Hello to everyone, this is Kiranmayeekeerthana. Let's see how to make the super tasty sugar-free muffins. I've also shared the same recipe with egg, so do watch until the end. So let's get started with the recipe. Take half cup of milk, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and set aside. In another bowl, take 1/4 cup of oil and add half cup of jaggery powder. Combine everything well. Instead of jaggery powder, you can also use palm sugar and date sugar. Add the milk mixture and mix well. If you want to use egg, then use a medium size egg instead of this milk mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Give it a quick mix. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour in 3 batches by sieving it. Sieving helps in removing any lumps and also add aeration to the batter, which in turn help in making the muffin soft and fluffy. Use cut and fold pattern to mix the batter. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Combine everything well in cut and fold manner. At this point, do not overmix. Add half cup of choco chips. This is completely optional. I am using dark chocolate choco chips. You can also chop in some dark chocolate. Let's prepare the muffin tray. This batter would make up to 6 muffins. You can also use store-bought liners. But I am using homemade cupcake liners. If you want to know how to make this amazing liners, then do let me know in the comment section. Let's fill the muffin batter up to 3/4 level of the muffin liner. Garnish with some choco chips on the top. Now these muffins are ready to go into the oven. Today I am baking these in kadai. For oven temperature and timings, do check in description box. For oven setup, I have added a layer of salt in an iron kadai and kept a vessel over it to keep my muffin tray and covered it with a lid and let it preheat for about 15 minutes on medium flame. Bake these for 15 to 20 minutes or until the inserted skewer comes clean. Healthy sugar-free muffins are ready to enjoy. Hope you liked the video. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to make this super healthy sugar-free choco chip muffin, then do click on the left video.